Hello, my name is Svetlana Ryzhkova. I am the executive chef of Tallink Hotel Riga restaurant Elements. We can see the restaurant here. It is for 130 places, and also we have conference rooms for 200 places. We have many different kind of work here. We have a la carte, we have lobby bar menu, terrace menu, room service menu, a breakfast menu, and many other processes like banquets and caterings also. So speaking about a la carte, we change it 3 times per year according to the season. We always use the freshest, the most seasonal products in our a la carte. It is not very big. We have 3 salads, 3 appetizers, 3 soups, 3 vegetarian dishes, and 6 main courses, 4 desserts. And usually when I change a la carte, I always look what I can still prepare in the next a la carte or what I can change. So the first one what I take out is dishes with not seasonal products. If it is, for example, not a strawberry season anymore, and if it is very popular dish, I will take it out in any cases, but we have some classical things like Caesar salad, what is all around the year, and it is in the a la carte from the beginning till this time, because many guests actually are asking for the Caesar salad, and this is like we think that it is like a classical thing what we can offer for them. And also we have ice cream plate, what is always in the a la carte. We just change some kind of ice creams, but we have also classical like vanilla or chocolate, what we have every time. And also we sometimes when the dish is very popular and it is really nice colors and nice taste, and many people order it, so I also check the program how many amount of this dish I have sold during the previous a la carte, and I just can change it a little bit according to the season. For example, I can take out the, I don't know, the forest mushrooms from the dish and put some root vegetables according to the winter season, as an example.